What's up, Internet? Kern 1776 with mission 83 of Battlbox. Yeehaw. It's 2022. I have to make myself say that, 2022. So used to saying 21 and 2020. It's weird, 2022. We're getting older every day, folks. Yeah, I got mission 83 right here. We're starting off the new year with some new gear. And I'm gonna go ahead and tell you, 2022 is gonna be a year like you've never seen before with Battlbox. And I'm extremely excited to share that stuff with you going forward in the rest of this here year, no matter what happens with freaking coronavirus and all this other junk going around. We're battle boxers. We can handle it, right? We're ready. Bring it. Let's start off with January 2022 right here with mission 83. Lots of good stuff in this box. Stuff that can help you every day going into 2022. You're gonna love it. Let's break into the box. Okie dokie, so I'm gonna put the box over here on this side this time. So first up, we're gonna check out what the mission brief has to say right here. Mission brief 83. So on the front page, obviously we've got a little write-up from yours truly, picture of the contents, and the survival 13 key down here. And we're gonna jump right straight into the basic box. All right, so first up in the basic box, we've got some coffee from Black Rifle Coffee Company. It's the blend that started it all with them, the Just Black right here. Freaking awesome. Medium roast. I enjoy coffee, especially out in the woods. There's nothing better than just, even if it's just to go drink some coffee. Go out into the woods, set up, make you some coffee, sit back, relax, you know, clear your mind and get energized and drink some very, very good coffee right here. So this is a medium roast. It's ground coffee, so you don't need to grind it up. It's not whole bean, but I like my coffee black. Just black fits. Do it how you want. In my opinion, a true coffee that tastes really good should taste great black, and this stuff right here does that. Cool thing is I was actually able to go up to Utah and take a tour of their facility. Freaking awesome. Freaking awesome place. Very creative in what they do, and we got to see the roaster that pretty much does all of their coffee, all their different types of coffee. Everything that they ship out goes out of there. It's really, really cool. Awesome people. And I'll have a video up later in a week or two of that trip so you guys can kind of see how they do things. Pretty cool. Sat down with the CEO of the company, and a really cool guy and very passionate about what they do in the veteran community, and of course, passionate about their coffee. If you're out in the woods, fix you a nice cup of Black Rifle coffee and get ready to enjoy your day and enjoy your adventure. So that's the first thing up right there in the basic box. So the next item in the basic box is from Outdoor Element. It's the Fire Escape MultiTool Carabiner. This thing's pretty freaking sick right here. I love items that can do multiple things. So as you can see here, this doesn't look like any ordinary carabiner. It's a multi-tool. Outdoor Element has tons of really cool products, and this is surely one of them. So of course you can use this as a carabiner, but it also has multiple functions. So it has this Everspark fire wheel right here so that you can throw sparks to make fire. It works really good for starting, you know, just a regular old camp stove or any other type of fire that you may want to start, you know, if you want to, you know, get some embers onto a piece of char cloth to put in a bird's nest, whatever. And it has replaceable little ferro rods to put in there, so once you wear it out, you can replace that ferro rod in there. It also has a replaceable utility blade, so you can cut your seat belt, you can cut webbing, you can cut paracord, whatever. It has a carbide pin window breaker, so this is a good thing to use as a keychain if you want to, so that you have it in your vehicle and you can break glass if need be. It's got an oxygen bottle wrench right here, or you can use that opening right there to attach a key ring if you want, so it's not in the carabiner part of it there, as well as that 1/4 inch hex wrench bit driver. It's made of stainless steel, so it's really strong and only weighs 1.7 ounces, and it's rated for 125 pounds. Every pack should have a couple carabiners on it, and why not have one that has multiple uses, right? So I think it's really cool, especially because it has a fire starting feature right here, which I think is great. You should have multiple ways of starting fire and a lot of redundancies in that, because if something else doesn't work, you got something else you can try, and this thing throws a pretty good spark. That is your second item in the basic box from Outdoor Element. And the third item in the basic box is the Everdry E250 Mini Dehumidifier. Folks, I'm telling you, I've used a product like this for years, and this one right here is yeehaw on so many different levels. So a lot of people use this device right here, this mini dehumidifier for to put in gun safes and things like that. So if you do have firearm storage and a gun safe, it's very wise to have something like this in there because it helps absorb moisture so that your firearms don't rust up or anything like that. It's very simple to use. It comes pre-charged when you get it. That's why it has the plastic over it. So if it's yellow, kind of this golden yellow color of these beads in here, it proves to you that it's dry. When it turns green, you need to recharge it. And you simply plug it into the wall. It heats up, it gets the moisture out of the beads, turns back orange or that golden color again, and then you put it back in your gun safe. But it's great for things other than gun safes. If you have a basement, if you have areas that are pretty damp and things like that, this will help take care of that. If you're like me and you're a Battlbox subscriber and you've got a ton of knives and you've got drawers that have knives in them, put this in there. Helps keep that drawer nice and dry so that your knives don't rust up. That's one thing with some of us collectors. We have, you know, a shop or whatever at our house or in our garage or in different things. We've got drawers with our knives in them that we go to occasionally to get a different knife, and you notice you got a little bit of surface rust or you got a little bit of moisture issue going on in that area. Put this in that drawer with your knives and you're good to go. Throw them in tackle boxes. Throw them in anything where there's metal or anything where you possibly have a moisture issue or a mildew issue. This right here will help take care of that, and it lasts forever. I got one of these. I think I've had it maybe 12 years. Like, no joke, I think I've had it 12 years. I recently replaced it with this one and moved my old one to a different spot, but it still works. I mean, once it turns green, shows wet, I plug it in the wall. A couple hours later, it's done. I throw it back in my drawer or my safe, and I don't have to worry about stuff rusting. So, really cool piece of kit right here. If you've never used one, you're gonna love it, and I'm sure you're gonna buy more because I know I've got multiple in multiple locations. So, right here, Everdry Mini 250. Are you gonna stand up or no? I think you will, for a little while anyway. Put it right there. That'll make it stay. So now it's time for the advanced box. In the advanced box, I got something in here. I'm telling you, this has been a game changer for gear organization and accessibility, especially in my vehicle. That's what this is designed for, but you can use it elsewhere if you don't want it in your vehicle. I'll tell you more about it. So it's from Grayman Tactical. It's their Headrest Organizer. It's an 8x6 headrest organizer. So as you see here, it's a very hard plastic, very, very durable. Comes with a couple straps right here, and you strap this to the back of your headrest. Not where your head's gonna hit it, but you know, the back side of your headrest, okay? And what it essentially gives you the opportunity to have is MOLLE webbing on the back of your headrest, which is freaking awesome, okay? You can attach all sorts of stuff to this. You can attach an IFAK, you can attach a couple blades. If you're a mother, or heck, even if you're a dad and you're traveling around with kids a lot and you've got like a little kit that you want to keep for, you know, snacks for your kids or, you know, whatever, safety equipment, I don't care, some of their toys, I don't know. But you can strap it to the back of your headrest and it's there. It's there when you need it. So tons of uses, even outside of tactical uses and things like that. But a great way for you to organize your gear in your vehicle. You can attach a few small little zip pouches to it. Anything MOLLE that can attach to MOLLE gear, you can attach to the back of your headrest. It's freaking awesome. Simple to use. It's got a couple straps. You just run the straps through these slots right here, and boom, you've got a way to organize your gear right there, accessible on the back of your headrest. You're able to actually organize stuff. You don't have stuff buried under seats. You don't have stuff buried in center consoles or buried inside your glove box. You can have it readily accessible right there on the back of your headrest. I recommend you use it for an IFAK. We all need a medical kit in our vehicles, but you can do whatever you want with it. If you don't want to use this in your car, you really don't have to. It's got a couple holes on each side right here, so 4 holes. You can attach this to the wall, to a wall in the shop, or attach it under your desk or anything like that with some simple standoffs so that you can still get, you know, your strapping through there for whatever you're putting on it. But I mean, you can put this under your desk with a holster. You can put this in a gun safe, whatever. anything that you want to attach MOLLE, you can figure out a way to put this so that you can attach MOLLE gear to it. Really cool piece of kit right here. And that's from Gray Man Tactical. And it's called the Headrest Organizer in the advanced box. It's freaking awesome. Tons of uses for this. So now it's time for the Pro Box. So the Pro Box subscribers get even more organization through Gray Man Tactical. Got this giant one right here. Goes along with this. So this one right here is the same concept. You attach this to the back of your seat, okay? So it comes with straps so that you can attach this to the back of your seat. Again, has been a game changer for me, an absolute freaking game changer. So this gives you the ability to attach more stuff, more packs, more knives, more whatever. Mom, you want to attach a diaper bag to this? Boom, there it is right there. You got all your gear for your kid in your car right there, readily accessible. You're not trifling through bags and keeping bags on the floor or up under a seat in your vehicle. You got it right there on the back of your seat. For hunting applications, you can strap a rifle to this. They've got tons of different types of attachments that you can put on this at Gray Man Tactical. Go to their website, check out what they have. They have, you know, gear for mag pouches, obviously organizational pouches, rifle mounts, pistol mounts, tons and tons and tons of stuff. And again, if it's MOLLE, you can attach it to this because you're essentially turning the whole back of your seat into MOLLE webbing. Just like any other product from Gray Man Tactical, if you don't want to put this in your vehicle, you can attach this to the wall with some standoffs. You can attach this to pretty much anything. In a boat, in a camper, whatever, you can attach it onto a wall and have MOLLE however you want. If you want to do it diagonally, by God, be my guest, you can do whatever you want to. Lots of people are putting these in, like I'm thinking about doing it on my truck. I've got Leitner Designs rack system. A lot of guys are mounting these on the inside boxes of the Leitner Design pods so that they can hang up MOLLE inside their boxes. 12¼ by 21 inches organizer right here to go along with your headrest. So you have this on the back of the seat and this on the headrest. So now it's time for the Pro Plus box, the Knife of the Month Club, the whole enchilada. So this month, the first knife of 2022 is from Tecto. It's called the Alara. Oop, that's not going to want to stay. There we go. So this knife is called the Alara, and it's freaking gorgeous, and it is sharp. Awesome, awesome knife right here. And from a company we've never did anything with before. They got a lot of really, really nice stuff. We're starting off the year with the Tecto Alara. So let's take a look at it. Look at that mamma jamma right there, son. It's nice. I'll pull my back out, stretching out to the camera like that. So here we have the Alara. Freaking so sexy. So I'm telling you, if you're carrying this blade, you're gonna for sure be the pocket dump caller with this thing right here. You're gonna be like, hey boys, let's see what y'all got in your pockets. Cause I got something way more better. So this blade features 440C steel. The 400 series steels have been very popular for decades because they're the most used steel in the knife and cutlery industry. And it's a really easy knife to sharpen, and it's really good for stain resistance. So it's easy to take care of, easy to sharpen, and boy, can you get it sharp. I mean, it's very, very sharp. So we've got this G10 handle right here with a 440C drop point blade. 60 HRC is the blade hardness. The blade is 3.62 inches and the handle is 4.56 inches, and it weighs about 83 grams altogether. It is a flipper, as you can see here. It's got steel liners, and it is a liner lock design, as you can see there. And of course, we've got your pocket clip here on the other side. That's just a good looking knife right there. Very, very sharp, very easy to take care of, which is a plus, especially for an EDC type knife, because I mean, you want to be able to use it no matter how good looking it is. You want to be able to use it and be able to maintain it, and that 440C steel is very easy to manage and keep sharp. That right there is just a dead sexy knife. I mean, a dead sexy knife right there. Really, really beautiful. And it comes with this sheath right here. So if you don't want to wear it in your pocket with the clip or whatever, you can use this sheath right here. It goes on your belt. Very easy to use. Obviously protects the knife. Or if you want to, keep it somewhere when you're done, you can put it into this sheath to keep it nice and safe around all your other knives. Very freaking nice knife, and I'm telling you, it's sharp. I actually just barely touched it to my finger right there, and I got a little cut in my finger. So be careful with this, or you have to use my medic gear that we sent out earlier. So that is the knife of the month right there, the Tekko Elara. So that's mission 83 of Battlbox, folks. Just a real quick recap. We've got the Everdry E250 right here to help you with any kind of moisture issues you're having in your gun safe and wherever you're keeping your knives, anything, tackle boxes, whatever, inside your vehicle, it doesn't matter. Anywhere where you need to control moisture, that dude right there will do it. When it's done, recharge it. It's good to go. Use them for freaking years. Freaking awesome. We got the Black Rifle Coffee Company's Just Black right here. Excellent blend of coffee. Go outside, get in the woods, fire up your kettle, fire up something to boil some water, and just sit out in the woods and drink you some coffee. Clear your mind. You can go sit in a coffee shop all you want. Go sit outside in the woods and drink your coffee. You can thank me later. And then we got the Outdoor Element Fire Escape Tool right here. Awesome. Start fire, use it as a carabiner, use it to cut cordage, use it to cut webbing, use it to open an O2 bottle, use it as a wrench, use it to break glass. Doesn't matter. It's ready to go. It's all yeehaw. And then from Gray Man Tactical, we got the Headrest Organizer right here and also the Seat Back Organizer. Game changer. I'm telling you, it's a freaking game changer. You got molly gear. We all got molly gear. You need somewhere to attach it, somewhere off your backpack, somewhere. Put it on here. It's there, it's accessible. In your vehicle, with standoffs on a wall, behind a door, under the bed. You got a side-by-side, you can mount one of these in the roof of your side-by-side and put molly gear on that. I mean, it's beyond useful, and it is a game changer when it comes to organization. I freaking love the Gray Man Tactical stuff. And don't forget to go to their website to look at all the different types of attachments that they make that you can put on here. Of course, if it's molly, it'll go on there, but they make a lot of really cool stuff like rifle mounts and different things that you can attach to these. And then we've got the Tekko Elara right there. Awesome EDC knife. Super sharp, easy to maintain, easy to keep clean, easy to take care of. It's going to do the job for you, and it's going to look freaking awesome doing it. Beautiful blade right there. Very well designed, open, smooth, and I'm telling you, you'll be the pocket dump champion if you got it right there in your pocket and somebody calls a pocket dump. I'm telling you, it's freaking awesome. So as always, I appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like and comment down below. Hit the subscribe and the bell icon if you're watching on YouTube so you'll get notified when I post new videos. If you are a member and you're not on our Facebook members only group, Battlbox members only, be sure to find that on Facebook and subscribe to that, and you can hang out and talk and trade and do whatever with a bunch of other subscribers that we have at Battlbox. If you want to find out more about Battlbox, you can go to battlbox.com, battlbox.com. You can go to the What's in the Box page, watch every video and see every item that from now all the way down to Mission 1 of Battlbox back in 2015. And I'm telling you, 2022 is going to be a year like you wouldn't believe with Battlbox. And I'm so looking forward to sharing that stuff with you. We've been working really, really hard. We're beyond excited. Beyond excited. So as always, I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you next month with Mission 84 Battlbox, and be on the lookout for some cool videos coming up here in the next few weeks. And don't forget to follow my freaking crazy butt on TikTok. You might see some leaks there. Yeah. Get outdoors. Maybe some Black Rifle coffee. And contemplate how awesome you're going to be in 2022. Starts with you. Yeehaw.